After this pandemic, our society has become more aware about hygiene. However, how much information regarding bacteria and germs do we know? Entrepreneurs are worried about having good safety measurement and ways to provide an antibacterial environment for employees, as it might affect future clients and the employees' families. Even parents are having a hard time due to school reopening. Some of them might not even allow their children to go to schools as they are worried about the crowded situation. NanoGate is the latest sanitizing gate that provides nano disinfection by using natural mineral particles technology. Only 5 seconds of contact with Nano Ion Plus provides 24 hours protection from bacteria and germs. It's a safe product as it uses natural nutrients for the body, such as iron, zinc, magnesium, selenium, and calcium. Through this NanoGate disinfection system, parents can now allow their children to attend school without worrying, as every person in the school has been fully disinfected before entering the premises. Employers can be at ease. They can stop worrying about their employees, the imperfect safety measurement, and can spend their time in other more important matters.